While the winter session of the parliament might be over, there were a lot of controversies that surrounded, and one of them was Kalyan Banerjee, the TMC MP, mimic him, Jagdeep Dhankar. And now, adding fuel to fire, the TMC MP has once again stirred the political pot by mimicking Vice President Jagdeep Dhankar once again, but this time he's done it in his home turf of West Bengal. Now, defending his actions, Banerjee claimed that due to his cultural upbringing, he is inclined towards theatre and drama. Now, this comes after Banerjee faced criticism in the parliament for a similar act. Banerjee dismissed the outcry, likening it to a child's reaction, stating, "Why are there tears over just a mimicry?" Now, meanwhile, the Vice President Jagdeep Dhankar has continued to call himself a sufferer in this mimicry saga.
শুধু কেঁদেই যাচ্ছে কেঁদেই যাচ্ছে কেঁদেই যাচ্ছে কেন এত কান্না? এটা মিমিক্রির জন্য কান্না? এটা ছোটবেলার বাচ্চা ছেলে ব্যাপার হয়ে যাবে। ছোটবেলায় করতো, এখন তো বাচ্চা বাচ্চা দাদা করেন। আপনাদের মধ্যে অনেকে টিচার আছে নিশ্চয়, আছেন তো? ছেলেদের বাচ্চা ছেলেদের পড়ার নিশ্চয় দেখেছে। মিস মিস আমাকে ভাঙাচ্ছে, আমাকে ভাঙাচ্ছে, এই তো অভিযোগ করে। সেই বাচ্চা ছেলেদের মতো কান্নাকাটি, সে কান্নাকাটি চলছে, চলুক চলুক চলুক, ঠিক আছে চলো। তুমি কিন্তু আরম্ভ করছো, করো না, আমার কোনো অসুবিধা তো নেই, আমার কিচ্ছু নেই। কিন্তু আমি বাংলার মাটিতে তৈরি, আমি বাংলার সংস্কৃতি।
I am a sufferer. A sufferer knows how to withstand from inside. Take all affronts, all insults with one direction. We are in the service of our Bharat Mata. You will have to show integrity. You will have to exhibit high ethical standards. There will be pressures and counter pressures.
My colleague Shreya joins us on the phone line to get us more information on this. Shreya, one of the several controversies that came out of the winter session was TMC MP Kalyan Banerjee mimicking Jagdeep Dhankar, and despite the strong reactions coming in, looks like the TMC MP is unfazed and has gone ahead and repeated it again.
So, of course, rightly, like you mentioned, remember there was a huge political row that erupted last week after Kalyan Banerjee during the protest with other suspended MPs inside the parliament. He mimicked Vice President Jagdeep Dhankar, while Congress leader Rahul Gandhi was seen filming, the TMC leader. Now, of course, we have seen that speaking at an event in West Bengal, Shirampur, remember day before yesterday, Kalyan Banerjee once again said that he would continue to mimic Dhankar, saying that mimicking is a form of art. Now, Banerjee also said that he would do it 1,000 times and he has the fundamental right to do so. Now, that is the thing. When it comes to Kalyan Banerjee, he has said that it is a form of art. He will keep doing mimicry. If needed, he will do it 1,000 times, and he also said that he has the fundamental right to express his views. He also went on to say that you can put me in jail, but I will not step back. So, of course, there is no end to this row, because on one hand, when we see that, of course, the Vice President says that he is a sufferer, while on the other hand, Kalyan Banerjee continues to mimic him, and also he justifies it by calling mimicking a form of art.
Right, Shreya, appreciate you joining us on the broadcast there with all those details.